6 Good Friday Superstitions. Number 1. Don't bathe in the sea on Good Friday. You will turn into a fish. Staying on the shore rather than going out to sea was linked to the belief that the sea craved dead bodies on Good Friday. Number 2. Taking a bath or doing laundry at 3 p.m. on a Good Friday can cause bad luck as well. It is said that water turns to blood in that particular period because of Jesus' death. Number 3. Doing any housework on this day will bring bad luck to your family. Gardening and farming tasks are off the table too on Good Friday. Number 4. Breads or cakes baked on Good Friday will never go moldy. In fact, it was claimed that such baked goods even had healing properties. Number 5. Eggs laid on Good Friday would never go off. In the past, some people have claimed that they used Good Friday eggs in Christmas cakes and puddings, and they were as fresh as the day they were laid. As an old belief decrees that no iron, such as a spade or a fork, for example, should enter the ground. Number 6. A child born on Good Friday and baptized on Easter Sunday is said to have the gift of healing.